What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Iwasonj and I'm back with another commentated video. Today I'm gonna be telling you guys a tutorial, a step-by-step walkthrough of how you can collect cows in the sky, also known as Carpetful, without the Z button and without the B button in Super Mario 64. Let's get into it. So at the beginning of the star, you immediately have three choices. You can try this triple jump wall kick, which I'm not good at. It is the fastest method, but it is also the hardest. And there's the casual strat, where you can use the carpet and ride all three carpets to the big house. The strat that I'm going to show you in this video is going to be the medium speed one. It's the one that you also already saw in my earlier video, and it starts out with 3 hammer right button presses, and then I walk upright and up, and I single jump and double jump. Now I'm here down by the pole, and then I can jump to the pole. I can climb up the pole just by holding forward, and then I jump off the pole, and I'm here at these octagonal platforms. And from the octagonal platforms I make my way over to this second carpet right here. Skip the first carpet, now we go for the second carpet, and now we're doing this carpet ride. And we want to make sure to not press B during this carpet ride, and we also want to make sure to not press the Z button. So I'm not going to demonstrate what a C press or a B press would be on this carpet ride, because I don't want to do it, I don't want to ruin the challenge, but it would basically be where you press the green button or where you press whatever the hell the C button is. So we get past these obstacles on the carpet ride. Now we get from the second carpet onto the third carpet, which is actually the second carpet for us because we skipped the first one. And now we get some harder obstacles. So here we can still make it with well-timed single jump. Here I have no idea whether we can make it with a single jump, but I'm just gonna side flip all the way up. And yeah, now we're in the clear again. Now we have basically no obstacles for a while. And I'm just gonna make sure to not press E and not press C on this carpet ride. So I can press A, I can move the joystick, I can press A again. I'm not going to press B and I'm not going to press C. Got that? No B presses, no Z presses. We want to get off the carpet to dodge the fire. We could stay on, but I like to go off, and then we want to jump back on. And now we're out of the big house, and now we go on to the last few glass obstacles. And then after the glass obstacles, we're going to go back into the house for another round with the fire. We're gonna get off, on again. You get the idea. There are some coins on the way. There is a reason why the big house in the sky is oftentimes paired with 100 coins. It's because there are coins here on this carpet ride. And now we're in the big house again. I want to dodge the fire. I'm gonna get back onto the carpet just in time. If you stay off the carpet for too long, then it's gonna disappear, but it's gonna blink first before it disappears, so there's not really a big risk involved. And then we just want to jump to the star. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this commentated video, this tutorial of how to collect the big house in the sky, or Carpetful, in 0 Z presses and 0 B presses. I hope that you can also do it now. I want to show you the main difficult trick again, in case you missed it. You want to walk upright, then you want to walk up, single jump, double jump, and then you're either going to take fall damage or ledge grab. Fall damage I think is a bit faster, but ledge grab is also going to work. You can press A to climb the ledge faster. You couldn't do this in the A button challenge, but this is the B button challenge. So upright, up, single jump, double jump, ledge grab, and you grab the pole. and then you just climb, hold it forward. Another way to do this is to hold right, then up, single jump, double jump. That also works. I find right a bit more intuitive, but both should be alright. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell for probably not a lot of other commentated videos, because I don't really tend to make a lot of commentated videos, but if you enjoy the gameplay content, then I'd definitely be happy about a follow. I'm just shy of 500 subscribers, so if you want to check that out, feel free to do so, and I hope to see you soon.